are today at the South Butler racetrack. Today it is just a car show. Looks like it's going to be a big turnout. The weather looks great. We're going to take a walk around and look at the swap meet first.
Yes.
I got a Silverado on 1.2.
Very nice 63 Nova. Nice custom 60 Chevy. '67 Nova. Nice 66 Buick. Nice, a 40 Pontiac.
Yes, a 1940 Pontiac. My father was Pontiac and GMC dealer back 1940, and I was born in 1940, and he purchased that. He got that car as a dealer, and so he sold it. And of course, I didn't know anything about it. And in 1960, I was a sophomore in college. And I said, "Dad, I need a car to drive to college. I'm going to be a sophomore." And he went down and got this car out of the barn. And I drove it for 2 years at college. It didn't have turning signals, a heater, or a radio, and it worked just fine. 2 years. And then I got married my senior year. My husband had a car, so it went back to my dad. And so back into storage. And years later, after he passed away, I got it from the estate and had it restored back in 2013. And Richard Brenham did the restoration from up Elgin Way, and did a beautiful job.
So it's been in the family since 1940.
Since 1940, with the exception of the first 18 years. And I think it's only got like 68,000 miles on it. And it's got the original, all the original parts. It's got the original engine. And my father got another engine and been hanging there for years, and now I've got it hanging in my barn. But the person that restored it said, "We're not taking that engine out. It was working just fine." So it's I love it.
Nice. Well, I'm going to walk around and catch the view of the other side.
Absolutely. Oh, yeah, sure.
Thank you for the story.
Oh, here, you need to get the view, though.
Beautiful. Beautiful restoration. They did
Thank
great.
you. And it's got 1940. Actually, I was able to get 1940 World's Fair. The fellow that restored it had those plates.
Yeah.
I got to use.
Well, thank you. This
You're
was
very
very
welcome.
nice. Very nice. A 48 Austin. And we got a 31 Model A hot rod. Slammed to the ground. Chopped. Way channeled. We got a Ford Ranchero. Love these Ford Rancheros. Hello, let me break in right here and say that's it for part 1. Tune in and watch part 2, please. And thanks for watching. See you on the next one.